This car is filthy dirty. Thank you, Texas weather. What's going on, everybody? Jordan here. First off, we're gonna go check the mail. I got some Black Friday items in and I want to go over those with y'all, kind of do a little unboxing of them, and then we're gonna be going to deliver some packages because not many of y'all know, but I do own my own little decal business. I do make custom lanyards, shirts, hoodies, and decals. As you can see, my car, my roll call, I did all of those. So if you want to hit me up and ask for something custom, I'll put my name in the description and also in the video. So we made it to the mailbox. I really miss those days when your mailbox was literally at the end of your driveway. Let's see what we got. Get the key in. Oh, and there it is. The mail key with the goods. Bunch of mail on there, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. We got number 3, so we got. I'm gonna assume it's this one. Back to the car with all the mail and some of the goodies. Well, one of the goodies that I bought. Idle though. Alright, now to the post office. Here we go. open this box up. Should be able to give tickets for people that go 10 under the speed limit. Bye. That we put into it. Do not want to go with that. I did not realize that my camera was not recording when I opened the box. So I've already went ahead and opened it. And it is my hoodie from Purpose Built. And it is awesome. I wanted this hoodie for a really long time. I really like the design. You got the PB and the speedometer on there. It is nice and thick. I love it. They also included this cute little card. Look, it's so nice. Purpose Built right there. It is Motorsports Apparel, and they're out of San Diego. So I actually found Purpose Built on Instagram, and I really, really like their design and what they stood for. It's Motorsports Apparel. They have hoodies, shirts, tank tops. They even have some performance parts that you can check out, which is pretty awesome. They kind of do everything, and they are veteran and active duty owned. Go ahead and check them out. I'll put the link in the description to their page and on the video up here. Thank you so much for following me along on this little adventure. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned until the next video.